Oh, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Okay, so walking in this dark and stuff like that. Show y'all the flooded areas like I did last time. You know, it's dark right here. Y'all couldn't see that. Huh. Yes, indeed. Look at what the heavy rain did to our community. Huh. I sure can't. I sure can't jump over that. Huh. Let me just stand right here. Focus camera. Focus camera. Thank you. All right. Yeah. So, all right, y'all. So look right here. Y'all can't see right here. Okay. I can see it, but y'all can't. You know. All right. So it was raining heavily and stuff like that. You know. Uh, well, remember, y'all, do not pass in no deep waters. Okay. It's rush hour probably rush hour. So let's go over here, almost to Orleans. You know. All right. So there's some water right here. Okay, y'all can't see right here. All right, I need to find some kind of way to get over here. Oh, right here. All right. So so about to go walk straight down here and show y'all. And they splashing things. If somebody would have been standing right there, whoa! I, I almost slipped. I almost slipped right here, y'all. I ain't even see that mud, y'all. I almost slipped. Yes, indeed, man. This live stream probably would have went viral if I would have if I would have slipped and fell. You know, how you doing? So okay. Let's. Oh man, that's probably unpassable right there. Look right here is very unpassable right here. You see? Uh, Wait, maybe it's not unpassable. I might have to walk in this grass. It's wet right here. Okay, it's not quite unpassable. You know. Whoa, that driving so fast you don't know who the hell you could splash. You know. Yep. I don't know if y'all can. Y'all can't see that. Oh man. I better hold on tight to this camera because I might if I lose then I need a new damn phone when it's wet right here. Y'all look at that. Look at this. Oh, would y'all say it's ridiculous? I say it's ridiculous. All right. So how would I get on the other side? All right. How would I get on the other side? Well, I would do some strategy, whatever the hell I'm trying to say. Okay. Yeah, I'm just doing a show. I don't know if my ratings will pick up or what. You know, I don't know. But I have to see. You know. Then it seems like everywhere is unpassable. So let me just walk around here. Okay. I will walk across Orleans and see. So anyway, where should I go? All right. All I'm doing is worrying about doing the show. Worrying about doing the show. Huh. Better than eating mud pies. Huh. What about mud pies, y'all? Yep. roads is very unpassable, you know, very unpassable. You know, Galvez is very flooded. What about around here? Let's see. All right. Okay. All right. So, and this street kind of flooded too. Ain't nobody else gonna post a show on YouTube. So some of you probably doing a Facebook Live, like I'm doing right now. Look all around here, y'all. I mean, it looks like a river. This place looks like a river. Y'all see that? It ain't no Lake Pontchartrain or Lake Titicaca or Lake Tiki-Taka or something like that. Yep. Filming the flooded streets after the heavy rain. Name of this title, you know. Looks like Lake Tiki-Taka or something like that. Is it really Lake Tiki-Taka? I just want to know, is this Lake Tiki-Taka? Focus camera. All right. Yes, indeed. Look at this. Look over here. Well, there's no way I could cross over there. If I had rain boots, I would be able to cross over there. Yep. Y'all see way over there? I'm sure it's flooded way over there. Yes, indeed, yo. Yes, and damn deed, Woody. Yes, indeed, yo. All right. All right. If y'all can just, I have to be careful. I don't have no boots. I think let me step back. Let me step back. This car trying to make a thing. Oh, right here. Yeah, this seemed like the Lake Tiki-Taka. Lake Tiki-Taka. Focus camera. Well, let's go around here too. Okay, man. Look at all this flood the heavy rain did to us. You know, it was like this in 1998. And here in the 6th Ward, it was like this. You know, my mama said the water was so high she almost drowned, and I thought my mom was tripping. And then my cousin Reginald said the same thing. I'm like, wow. Yes, indeed. And we was late coming from school that time, you know. Yes, indeed. We was late coming from school. Yep. Yeah, we was late coming from school, me and Brock. We was going to McDonald's 28 at the time. So, let me go see, what else area is flooded, okay? So, hey, how you doing? Oh, just in case you're wondering, I'm doing a show. Oh, okay. I don't want you to think I'm talking to myself. Oh, nah, you good, man. Okay. I'm talking to a neighbor, y'all. Okay. So anyway, y'all. So anyway, everybody. I'm just gonna go wait right here on this side. Seems like it's flooded everywhere. I can't go everywhere. I bet the other places it's flooded too. They gonna show everything on the news, on WGNO, WVUE, Fox 8, WDSU, NBC 6, and ABC 26. I wonder if it's like that in Kenner, cause it flooded in Kenner one time when we had heavy rain. We was coming from the clinic, you know. Yep. I don't know if Nala's gonna be watching this, but I know G Weezy, Dwayne Payne, his blow pop head, he was watching this, you know. All right. So I guess nothing else to show. Should I go walk down on the other side of the place, or walk this way? Walk this way. Walk this way. Oh, by this daycare center over here. It's dark. I don't know if y'all can see. All right. Y'all probably can't see nowhere, you know, but I can see. Okay. Unless they have light or whatever, you know. I don't know who else is watching this show, you know. I don't know who the hell else is watching this show. I don't know what that was. It wasn't a bus, it was a car. Yes, indeed. Even the sidewalk is flooded, you know. All right. All right. Yeah, I guess the water drained around here. If y'all can see around here, y'all see the water has drained it, you know. Yep, as y'all see, you know. I'm about to take a walk down here, back over here again, okay. So I should walk on this side. I will cross over, but I'm gonna stay in my area. I'm not supposed to be walking around though. Well, I'm saying that for my behalf, you know? Almost like Lake Tiki Taka or something. All right. I was a kid, I thought they said Lake Tiki Taka, you know, but it's Lake Tikaka. Yep. So who else is watching the Dominoes 7 show? Whatever, you know. Who's watching? Lake Tikaka. Excuse me. As long as that person don't comment on my live stream asking a silly question, you know. He haven't filmed. I'm gonna say watching my videos yet, cause I block him if he asks me one that silly question again. Thinking that was my cousin, but all that time it wasn't my cousin. It was some dude I don't know, you know. Oh shoot. All right. It rained so hard in this coat right here. You know, I wish I was living in this coat, you know. I sure wish I was living in this coat. I wish I could do a YouTube live. I need more subscribers. Damn this. It's flooded right here. Y'all seeing this coat right? Uh-oh. More water over here. Over the horizon. Or over yonder, whatever you want to say. Yep. Boy, this is a whole river right here, y'all. Yep. So this is unpassable, and I guess this part is kind of unpassable too. You know. Very unpassable. Uh-huh. So eventually on YouTube, you know. I know some of y'all will probably say, man, you losing your mind walking out here like that. Yeah, I know I'm tripping. I know I'm tripping. Okay. I know I'm tripping. But hey, I'm just a so-called reporter, that's all. You know. Just reporting on things, you know. That's what I like to do, report on things, you know. Uh-huh. So as we look around here, or they probably have some flooded streets here too. How you doing? I'm just doing the show in case you're wondering. Huh? Say it again? Oh no, I don't have a car. I live back here. I don't drive at all. I'm just recording the street. Eventually be on YouTube. So you're not stranded, huh? Oh, all right. I live on the other side. All right. So, all right. I was just talking to the neighbor, ladies and gentlemen. So, should I go walk over here? No, let's continue right here. Right here. Whoa, whoa. You saying that? Huh? All right. I love doing my show. Yep. Uh huh. Yep. All right. Huh. Maybe I'm gonna upload this after Christmas, I guess, or in 2021. You know, I don't want to talk about no election though. Joe Biden and Donald Trump. This sign got ripped off. If y'all watch my previous videos on YouTube, you know, y'all'll know. All right. Okay. All right. I gotta hold this phone tight. Oh man, I stepped in flooded waters. Huh. Right here, y'all can't barely see that. All right. Oh yeah, y'all see this? This was bent from Hurricane Zeta, or the bikes blew off or whatever, causing it to bend or something. We don't know. Yeah, some asshole drove fast, splashing. Excuse my language. Look right here. Look right there. All right, so let's cross the street. All right. All right. This is a small sidewalk right here. I ain't realize this was a sidewalk. Let's go work up here. Oh mud, damn it. Well, Look at the look over here. Is it flooded down there? I doubt it. I wonder if them teenagers play at this park, this basketball court. I'm certain of that. All right. So let's film in the flooded streets after the heavy rain. At night. Yep. I don't know if anybody else do this. Focus camera. Thank you. All right. Well, it's not Hurricane Zeta. You know, Hurricane Zeta gone. It ain't Katrina or nothing either. You know. Light is so bright. And that pool right there is empty. They have a pool in Columbia Park. But I don't know if this is part of the Lafitte. Okay. All right. All righty. All right. All right. I wish I could bring y'all back to Orleans, but those sidewalks is unpassable. Okay. All right. So so anyway, it's still kind of early though. Yep. All right. So showing. All right, showing them. Hey, how y'all doing? Oh, I'm doing good. I'm doing the show, filming the flooded areas. Is it flooded in y'all area?
Over there.
Oh, okay. So y'all watch YouTube sometime? Oh yeah, cause I'm doing the show right now. Y'all don't want to be on the show, huh?
No thanks.
All right. Well, alrighty. So anyway, y'all, as I was saying, folks, I had to say, oh, it said a large puddle over here. They say, you know. So I'm just gonna go way over here. All right. And just see what the hell is going on, you know. All right. There's a large puddle over here somewhere, so I'm just gonna go over and just film that flooded area look like a river and stuff, you know. All right. Okay. Hey, how you doing? Oh, he must be exercising. Hey, how you doing? All right, I'm just doing a show in case you're wondering. Okay. Yeah, just in case they're wondering, you know. So I have to, what's supernova? What's this? Focus camera. Greenway Plaza. Never mind all that. Never mind that. Look at this flooded part two, you know. Yep, this is a whole river right here. It's dry right here, you know. Dried right here, but it's wet over here. This is a whole river. If y'all can see it, I might have to come out tomorrow and film, you know. Well, the birds might drink up this water, you know. This part is super flooded, you know. Look like a pond right here. The frogs and stuff, you know. Yep. Yep. All right. Oh, here's a drain right here. I guess all that flooded water is gonna go down here. You see? That's where it's gonna go. You know. Need to relax myself. I might have to shower again. You know. Yep. Focus camera. Thank you. What the hell is this? Never mind that. All right, I'm gonna press this button. All right, just gonna cross. Hello. All right. Hey, he must have knocked this off. Must have knocked this off. Ain't that something, yo? Well, I about to end this tour. Okay. Yep. I about to end this tour. Well, should I end this tour? Nah. Maybe I could do some more. You know, maybe the water went down. Yep. So, all right. Oh, like a bus, huh? Oh, it says a bus. The Lake Forest. Hey, it's a Lake Forest bus, y'all. The bus is doing the detour probably. Probably because of these flooded streets, you know. So, I think I'm gonna go walk down some more. Y'all think I should? Oh, look like it drained. Oh, here come another bus, and that's the Galvez bus right there. And that's one of them brand new buses right there. You see? All right. I guess it drained it. You know? I guess it did drain. Yep. All right. So, as we go, walk straight down. Oh, it drained. It took a while. You know, because y'all know how high the water was around here. Y'all can imagine how flooded it was across there. Okay. Oh yeah, the water drained around here too. Okay. Let's go walk around here. The water done drained. You see? Okay. So it ain't flooded no more. Unless they have another heavy rain. You know? All right. Disregard that noise. That's my phone. Either it was Facebook or just a whatchamacallit, you know. All right. All right, so it was flooded bad around here, y'all. It was totally flooded bad around here. I bet the water drained over there. All right, so let's go further down. Okay, so some people don't know who I am yet, you know, because they be some people don't know who I am yet, you know. It was flooded bad around here, you know. I was gonna end the tour, but I changed my mind, and I'm gonna end the tour somewhere else, you know. All right, so y'all know it's flooded bad around here, you know. The water done went down around here. It ain't nothing like Hurricane Katrina, you know. Okay, so back around this area. Y'all know it was flooded bad around here. Yep. Yes, indeed. Yep. The water done went down here. The water done went down over here. Okay. So I guess I'm going end this tour, you know. So hey, how you doing? Oh, I'm just doing the show in case you're wondering.
No, that's all you do, you baby.
Alrighty. Yeah, just showing my viewers where it was flooded and the water done went down.
Yeah, it goes down. Eventually it goes down.
Oh yeah. Okay. So check me out on YouTube.
Okay.
All right. So anyway, let's go walk down. All right. You have a blessed day, yeah. All right. So the water done drained around here. It drained over here. Probably drained on the other side. You know. All right. So I guess I'm going to end this tour. What the hell? Never mind that. Okay. I guess I'm going to end this tour. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. I hope y'all enjoyed the Domino 7 Show Facebook Live. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.